See, the thing is, I love using my Apple Watch and I love using voice memos on them.
We have liftoff.
Now, the idea of this video is to show you a simple 3-step process of how to go from a voice memo to a YouTube script. Using this method, we've successfully brainstormed and created the whole ad campaign for my wife's business as we were walking. Now, we have used another app, not just voice memos, but there's another app that allows you to pause your recording. And that was important for us because Apple voice memos doesn't allow you to pause and continue. So if you are saying something and recording, that has to be all done in one go. Now let's switch into automations. We received the signal from the phone who told us that it has uploaded the file. So you select the Whisper model, it transcribes the file, then it organizes it line by line, where I'm telling it structure the following text that you've just transcribed line by line and output the text as a bulleted list. The goal is to take the data and enrich it through multiple ChatGPT iterations. The Airtable base contains the title, the long script, the short script, as well as number of titles that we have asked ChatGPT to generate. Here they are. You can choose one that you like more and adjust it. And the original voice prompt as you recorded from Apple Watch is attached here as well. In your Voice Memos app, swipe left and then tap on 3 dots and then select Voice Memo to Script. Now on your phone, this option will not be available by default. In order for you to get this option on the phone, stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how to do this. Then we summarize and saying that I want to find relevant YouTube videos on this topic, and then we need to turn the summary that you have just organized line by line into a single searchable string of 10 words. And then afterwards, I'm going to list the YouTube videos by that search term. The automation capabilities are exhausted here, so we'll need external service to help us out with YouTube scraping. Apify is just a collection of reliable web scrapers. There are 546 different options, and one of them is a YouTube scraper, which allows us to search the YouTube videos and then work with them. We're listing our YouTube videos, then we are getting the information about every single video that we have just found. We have limited. We're getting the top viewable videos because we only want the best here. Then we're summarizing the videos. We're giving the task to ChatGPT to generate 10 best title ideas, and we're giving them the examples of the top viewable titles. And then we're telling that to use in your headlines, including these action words, the tricks and tips and lessons and strategies. ChatGPT works really well when you give it a context, a task, and a role, which is why I'm including as much context as possible, telling about the action words, the emotional words. I'm taking this information from CoSchedule free headline analyzer tool, which helps you analyze your titles on various parameters. And then we're using the list of power words, a list of emotional words, and use of uncommon words. This is all to do so we can create a clickable title. And then the very last element here, we're saying that keep the headline within 70 characters. And then we're telling ChatGPT to pick the best title, and yet save the other one, the other titles. Maybe we like the other title better. Then we generate the video script. And I'm saying that in the output, use simple words on the level of 7th grader. And I'm saying generate 20 seconds short video script. This exact ChatGPT prompt on generating short YouTube script is not working very well, as ChatGPT struggles to understand what is 20 seconds. Let's rewrite it. Because it generates too much. And so what we need to say here is limit the output to 100 words. And then the original audio that has been transcribed, I'm also attaching here for later reference, just in case I want to reprocess the video again, want to regenerate that. At the very last step, I'm just saying that, hey, the new script has been generated and this is the video title. So how does it all connect with Apple Watch and iPhone? Technically, it's a very simple shortcut right on your phone, which accepts the voice memo as a file. And then at the next step, it saves that file into Dropbox. And step number 3, it lets Make know the name of that file. Now to get your shortcut into the share sheet, open your shortcut, click on the information button. And then toggle select show in share sheet. Now the next step, go back to Apple Notes, click share, and then click on edit actions. There you can add voice memo to script into your list of favorites and then change the order. And that's it. We've just covered how to convert Apple Voice memos using Make and ChatGPT into Airtable to use as your YouTube script. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel, and until then, see you in the next one.